Well, hey there, and thanks for stopping by. So, what we've got here is Mountain Man Gourmet green chili macaroni and cheese. However, I did something interesting to it. I was in the middle of making it according to the package directions, which are really simple. All you do is boil the macaroni, and then you, in a stir in the little flavor packet, which has the green chili seasoning and the powdered all natural cheddar cheese, and just stir it up, let it set for a little bit, put in a little bit of the cooking water, a little tiny bit of butter, and a little tiny bit of milk. Well, I started cooking this. I'm just making it for myself tonight. And I thought, oh, crapidiola. I forgot I am out of butter and I'm out of milk. And I'm up here in the mountains. I actually do live in the mountains. Mountain Man Gourmet, that would be kind of silly if I didn't. But I realized I was out of those two items. But I did find in the freezer a little 8-ounce container of mascarpone cheese. So that's got a little sweetness to it, and we'll see what happens with the flavor. But I think I stuck it in there and it just melted really nicely. And then I put a few panko breadcrumbs on the top, cooked it for another few minutes, and it's done. So if you want to know how this turned out, go check out my Facebook or website, and I'm sure I'll post something about it later. But I thought I'd just share that with you because sometimes, even though we don't have all the correct ingredients, we can still make something that tastes really yummy. And who knows, maybe this tastes even better than the original version. Maybe I'll change the directions on it, or at least add it as an option or something, right? Okay, well, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this little episode, and I will see you sometime soon. In the meantime, remember to live well, eat well, and be